Hi everyone, we are inside the Office of Training and Placements, IIMT University Meerut. And the man behind training and placement already have a lot of corporate exposure and a lot of contacts in corporate industry. Please meet Mr. Pradosh. Thank you for having us here, sir.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, so sir, this is a huge university. And of course it has n number of students studying and taking admissions over here every year. How do you manage to take this pressure to assure that all the students gets an equal and optimum opportunity to get the placements?
See, we are having one division that is called Corporate Relations and Interface Center.
Okay.
Under that, we are having one training cell and one placement cell.
Okay.
So what we are doing that thing, whenever students coming in the class, our training cell assessed their capabilities, their plus point and their minus point.
For every student?
For every student, class-wise. And they are analyzing their individual students' gap, and accordingly they are finalizing their training details.
Okay.
So they are having, accordingly they are making their curriculum also, and they are implementing that curriculum for
so
the
you
students.
mean that there is no black and white set syllabus? Everything is done as per the need of the student and the training needs that the department finds out.
Yeah.
That's amazing.
So that we can develop students and we can take countermeasure of the individual's gap.
Okay.
And accordingly all students will get opportunity for the placement. That is how we are working.
Okay. Also, nowadays I've seen that all the students, whenever they take admissions, the first question that they have is that what is your placement scenario? What percentage are your students placed in? So, of course, it is very important to have good relationships with all the corporates outside to assure that your students are placed. So, what is your technique towards managing that?
See, madam, I am from corporate sector. Earlier, I worked as a general manager, HR in Honda Group. So, I am having relations in corporate. Recently, I called company like PepsiCo, company like Micromax, TS Texan. So many Japanese company also. Even my plan is to call Maruti also. I had a discussion with Maruti senior vice president, and he is ready to come. So like that, we are introducing the industries with our IMT, and accordingly students also got the opportunity. Recently, maximum students were placed in Micromax.
Okay. So, what is the percentage of placements every year, sir?
We are trying our level best to place maximum student. Yes, some student on their way, they are pursuing their further educations. So maybe that time that is their will. Otherwise, our effort is to place 100%. But if we'll talk about the percentage, it is around 80 to 82% students are placed.
Which is a lot.
Yes.
Which is absolutely a lot. Like all the students, maybe few of those who want to offer further education would not sit for it. Otherwise, I feel every one of them is getting placed.
Yeah, that is why these things. We are starting from from first semester to last semester for developing the candidates.
For every course.
For every students.
There's a lot of insider information for you guys. We have listened to the companies also coming. So all those who are interested can directly contact him. This man has a lot of sources. Huh? Okay, that's great, Mr. Mani. So you feel that the students who are very career oriented should opt for IIMT University having trust upon you?
Yeah, if I will talk about IIMT University is one of the best university in surrounding areas.
Okay.
So students, I feel that thing, students' first preference is IIMT University because students feel that that they will get good placement from IMT University. So that is why their first preference in this locality is IMT University. This is what our feeling is.
And obviously we do that for them, right?
Yeah.
So that was amazing. Thank you, Mr. Mani, for all the insider information. I'm pretty sure that all the students watching this video are now absolutely clear about their placement ideas. And next, when you come here for the admission, I'm sure sir is your go-to person to ask for placements, right? Thank you, Mr. Mani, and thank you for watching. Have a great day.
Hello everyone, my name is Rahul Jain and I'm working here as a placement manager from past 4 years with IMT University Meerut. And I have observed that last 4 years our placement graph is keep increasing day by day, as because we are getting the feedbacks from the placed students. Some students are also working internationally, globally, and that's the feedback we get. And probably if you're looking for the best admission in the best university in Northern India, and if you're looking for a great placements, this is your doorstep and ladder to the success for your future. And this is also, we focus on training part, and training part, you know, they take care of the training completely so that your placements should not suffer. And that's how we get the maximum number of placements across in the major brands like Micromax, Johnson Matthey, and IBM, British Telecom, so on.